generous and courteous, wicked and good, and I know evil and good. And I have heart and knowledge of all good qualities, and when anything fails, I do it from inability. Clever, but I love my lady so much that I am maddened by it. For I am humble to her where she hurts and speaks words to me. And I am proud because I know she is beautiful and worthy. And I am greedy to lie with a beautiful body, so that I am more generous and better taught because of it. And I am cowardly because I dare not ask her for it, and too bold because I await such rich joy. Beautiful lady, such joy comes to me from you, that I go saddened because I am not near you. For through you I am so pleasing to the worthy, that the wicked, annoying ones are annoyed by it. If mercy does not help me with you, for I hold myself so dear through you in all things, that I make myself seem vile to the crooked, and to the worthy I know how to seem courteous. Spoke of love and my other songs, because of the harm the beautiful deceiver did to me. But you, lady, complete with all good qualities, do me so much good that it is immense and sweetness to me. For love and you have promised me such a thing, that it is worth 100 times two that another lady would do for me. You are worth so much more, therefore I want you more, and I fear to lose you, and I want to conquer you more. Joy and youth and graceful bearing, lady, and the gentle body nurtured in teaching, have given you worth which is heard among the best. And by my faith, if my fortune were such that I owe my songs or my love pleased you, I would have conquered the best of worth in you, and of beauty, and I can say it truly, for I know it by hearing and by seeing. Hey! Beautiful night, choice and mercy, and true love, and the surpassing good faith that I bear you should help me in matters of love, for I await no other joy. Beatrice, your beautiful courteous body, and your great beauty, and the fine worth that is in you, make my song gracefully surpass the best, for it is gilded with your rich true worth.